Okay, now that we have finished the stem of the large mushroom, we're gonna get it stuffed with yarn scraps and about a third of the stuffing that's included in the package. You're going to stuff your mushroom until about row 15 or the top of the stem. Once you're done stuffing the base of your mushroom, grab your orange yarn and your crochet hook, and we're going to get started on making the cap. Okay, to start your cap, we're going to create a magic circle by doing a loop around your fingers as shown. Then insert your hook into the center of your loop, do a yarn over and pull through. Then do another yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Once we've completed our magic circle, we're going to do a chain 1 and then work 6 single crochets into the center of your circle. Something that I've found to be super helpful when working in the round and also doing a single crochet, because it's a super small stitch, is I put a stitch marker into the chain 1 that I work at the beginning of the round, so that when I'm finishing up my round, I know exactly where to put my crochet hook. Starting my single crochets, you should be an expert in these by now, but I'll go over it again. You're going to insert your hook into the center of your magic circle, then do a yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook, and then you're going to do another yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook, and that creates your first single crochet. So just repeat this process until you've crocheted 6, and then we will slip stitch into the chain 1 at the beginning of the round. I'm finishing up my 6th single crochet, and now I am pulling on my tail to tighten down my magic circle, and I'm inserting my hook into the chain 1 at the beginning of the row, and you can see how having my stitch marker here makes it really simple to find where to insert the hook. I'm then going to do a yarn over. And here I'm just making sure that I'm grabbing my working yarn and not my tail, which is a common mistake in these early rounds when you first start crocheting, to grab the wrong piece of yarn. So once I do my yarn over, I'm just going to pull that yarn over through all of the loops on my hook. That finishes off our round 1. Let's meet in round 2, where we're going to start off with a chain 1, and we're going to be increasing by doing 2 single crochets in each stitch. Starting off with my chain 1, and just like in the previous round, I'm going to put a stitch marker into the chain 1. Now after I do my chain 1, I'm now going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch for a total of 12 single crochets. So here, working my first single crochet, and then going into the same spot, I'm going to work another one, And I'm just going to go to the next stitch and repeat that process till the end of the round. Finishing my 12th single crochet, and now I'm going to insert my hook into the chain 1 at the beginning of the round and do a slip stitch. Rows 3 through 8 are pretty similar to what we've been doing so far. Just pay attention to the increase pattern on those. If you need a detailed walkthrough, stay tuned for our next video.